Welcome back to our journey in Idlib city. Today we explore a newly named Freedom Park, visit a fascinating bread factory, and enjoy a traditional breakfast with the locals at a separate restaurant. As our journey comes to an end in Idlib, we can't help but admire its amazing city and its incredible people. Despite everything they've been through with the war, their strength and hospitality shines through. Guys, this is Idlib. Let's go and check it out.
Good morning, Idlib. Alright guys, it's the morning now. It's about 1, 2, 3. About 7 o'clock in the morning. It's absolutely freezing. My room was a freezer, mate. I'm telling you, it was so cold. Absolutely lit. Oh yeah, we're about to head out now. Check out Idlib city. Go and sit down. What's this? This is a pretty normal thing, mate. This is a pretty normal thing. We've got another one at the back. Got another machine at the back. And then, yeah. Oh God. Yeah, let's go. Let's go and explore Idlib city. Right guys, so we are here at this park here in Idlib city. This park used to be known as Bashar al-Assad's park, or his brother's park, but now it's known as the Freedom Park. So we're about to go and check out the Freedom Park. Let's go. It is absolutely lit, guys, not gonna lie to you. It's super cold. Look at this park. Ooh. Beautiful. There's people still here chilling. Assalamu alaikum. This is a pool of some sort. Before Jumu'ah prayer, this park is closed, but after Jumu'ah prayer is open. They even got an ice cream shop here. Look at this, it's beautiful. It's quite a big park, bro. Very big. Amazing. It's a nice park for, yeah, to bring your family as well, you know. The kids will enjoy this park. Why have they got a Jeep in the middle of the park? Is that for sale or is that just for show?
Show.
Oh, yeah. Old school one. And they got cafeterias over there as well. City Park. Nice. Look at this. And then I have to show you the famous sign here in Idlib. I love Idlib. Nice. Look at that. So if you come here after Salah, if you come here after Jummah, this park is packed full of people. So yeah, I'm kind of surprised they have a very beautiful park like this here. You should have like a football pitch so you guys can play football around here, you know? That would be good. Did you guys play football though?
They've got
Sometimes.
a couple of pitch.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, they've got like Humps versus Hamas teams.
They got a proper team?
They've got a league. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Sunday league.
Sunday league. You got a Sunday league here? Wow. Ooh.
Got a train.
Beautiful. Is that a train? What train? You mean
kids.
like a... Oh, the train, okay, for kids that...
No, if you came after Salah, you could have gotten it. It tours the park.
It tours the park. Oh, it's pretty big. It goes up the stairs. What's up the stairs?
It's the exit.
Exit, oh, okay. And then there's benches over here. Scan through this park. They even got some food stands here as well. Look at that. Black Ops, mate. Yes, made it. Oh, look at this. Hey guys, so my trip to Idlib will be coming to an end soon, so I thought, let me just show you and give you a 360 view. Look at that. Literally walking around in circles. Same. Guys, look. Just noticed in this park, they have a zoo. And I heard there's a lion in there. Look. They got all these animals in this little zoo here. Boy, that's crazy. But unfortunately, it's not open now, so I can't really go in. It opens around after midday, after Friday prayers. So yeah, interesting. Come across my first zoo here in Syria. Wow. Whew. It's Let's go. Guys, because I'm so cold, my guide gave me his traditional what's it called again? Faru. Hala. Many names for this. But you know what? Look, it looks kind of alright on me, innit? Nah? Sah? Good? Tamam? Yeah, where? Where? Okay.
وقل اعطيه هو هاي اذا عندك.
Assalamu alaikum. Guys, so we are here in Idlib city right now, and this here is a famous breakfast place, but which will show you in a sec. But at the moment I'm going to this bread factory and see how they make bread. This is the famous bread factory here in Idlib city, so look at that. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Good? Bread? I can filming, okay? Come on. Wow, look at this. So all the bread comes out from the oven and they all pack it and then they put it in here, ready to serve. Subhanallah, that's amazing. Hello, assalamu alaikum.
سلام ورحمة
You
الله
okay?
وبركاته. يا أهلا وسهلا تفضل.
Let's go inside. Oh, here you go. Assalamu alaikum. Look at that, it's chucking bread. Wow. Look at that. Amazing. Beautiful. Wow. Check it out, sis. Look at that. Oh, this is where it's all being made. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, good. Speak English. لغة الإنجليزية. ما في إنجليزية. عربي. ما شاء الله. Okay, so this is fresh bread. This is nice, still warm. Oh my god, this is amazing. I love bread. You know, the smell of bread, guys, it's really amazing. It makes me hungry, even though it's not really that healthy for you. Well, personally, me, I know people love bread in my family, but me, not too much carb, you know. Look at this, amazing. What? Where's it downstairs? Downstairs? Oven? This come from oven. Waynak oven. Downstairs. Oh yeah, okay. This way. Okay, so this is the oven support. Guys, a dungeon right now. Look at this. Assalamu alaikum. Wow. So this is the bread. Oh yeah, this is amazing. Oh, so this makes it itself. Oh my god. Whoops. Okay, that's not the beginning. Walaikum salam. كيف حالك؟ شو اسمك؟ مؤيد. اسمي عبد. والله ثاني. Let's go and see where it all starts. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? كيف حالك؟ شو اسمك؟ علي. اسمي عبد. أنا في بريطانيا. أنا مسافر في سوريا. Wow, look at this. This is how it's made. Put it all over here. That is absolutely amazing. I'm so fascinated. It literally makes the whole bread. Wow. Perfectly sized. It goes up. What's this? Oh, for me? Not too much. Big, Kabir. Kabir.
أبيض.
That's too big, so I took half of another one. I'm gonna try this. Bismillah. Oh. Fresh. MashaAllah. Very good. This is the mix. This is how it gets mixed. And then turns into bread. Amazing. All that dough. A lot more dough here. Half of this, not even half of this been used, but yeah. And then goes straight up. And it comes out the oven. Salam alaikum. Nice and warm in here. I was complaining of being cold, but this place is just warmed me up. I feel alive again. Okay, so I'm with one of the guys here. Well, with quite a few of them. So I want to ask them some questions about this place. Assalamu alaikum.
عليكم السلام.
شو اسمك حبيبي؟
أحمد.
أحمد ما شاء الله. So لغة الإنجليزية؟ إنجليزية؟
يعني.
عارف إنجليزية؟
No.
English? Okay. How long is this bread factory been here in Idlib?
منذ تحرير إدلب من عام 2015 بدأ الفرن من عام 2016 لحد الآن والحمد لله.
Oh, ما شاء الله. So
2016, after they freed Idlib.
okay, so after they freed Idlib in 2016, they opened this bread factory. How many breads do you make, or how many bags do you make a day?
حوالي تقريبا 20,000 ربطة وكل ربطة تحتوي على 7 أرغفة.
20,000 bags.
20,000.
Each bag has seven breads in it.
7.
Each bag has 7 breads.
Oh my God. 20,000 bags, guys. So is the bag like this size? Like this?
طحين إيه.
Big or big, kabir, or like this?
إيه كبير هذا صحيح.
Kabir.
أيوة.
So it's a bit bigger than this. These kind of bags. Oh, mashallah, very nice. Wow, thank you. Shukran, habibi.
Yeah.
Shukran. Shukran, ikhwa. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, that was amazing. 20,000 breads a day. Wow, guys, you can do the maths. That's a lot of bread. That can feed the whole of Idlib. He probably does feed the whole of Idlib, you know. I'm assuming, right? Maybe not, but that's a lot of bags, bro. That's a lot of bread. So amazing, beautiful. All that still going up, ready to serve. Look at this. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Yeah, okay. Okay, no, nothing. Oh, look at that. He's making the same here, so this is getting warmed up. Face? No face? No face. Okay. So the staff don't want us to film the face, so which is fine. Let me see what he does. Oh, he makes it into little flat balls. Okay, yalla, yalla. Allah. Falafel.
فلافل.
Allah. So this is how they make falafel, guys.
فلافل شام.
Falafel Sham.
شغل الشامي يا أب.
This is the Syrian style of falafel. So, yalla. It's quick. Okay. His face? Oh, face, mashallah. Jamilun, mashallah. Mashallah. Very quick.
ويلكم
I can film you now? Oh, happy? Tamam? Mashallah. So, you start filming one person's face, now everyone wants to get involved. But obviously I understand some people are a bit shy. So, it's okay. Jazakallah khair. Yani Brittany.
ميت سلام يا
Shukran. Taking us inside. Let's see where he takes us. Food, they've got all kinds of food. This is famous in Idlib. Famous food shop. What's this? Bread? Oh, mashallah. Assalamu alaikum. I can come inside? Giving hummus straight into the kitchen, guys. Falafel. Crushes it up. Wow. Salad. Oh.
سلطة غلة.
I don't know what that is, but we got all of this stuff here.
طماطم.
Tomato, yeah. Mashallah. Oh, what's this?
لبن.
Nice. What's this?
رمان.
I think vinegar maybe? I'm not too sure, guys. Nice. Oh, mashallah. Amazing. You've got quick hands, guys. Quick hands. تكلم إنجليزية.
أنا عربي.
ها؟
How are you?
Alhamdulillah. How are you?
Hello.
Good. تمام.
تيك توك. واو.
تيك توك ما في سوريا.
لا مين؟
لا?
أنا
It
عندي.
works now?
أنا عندي.
Oh, okay, because TikTok wasn't working when I came last time. Now it works, so.
طيب.
Ah,
تابعين. حبني.
امني؟ ايش امني؟ امني. Okay, let's sit down. ما شاء الله. Okay, ان شاء الله ان شاء الله. Business? وينك business? What business?
مو بزنس. ماني
Money.
ماني.
أنا مسكين حبيبي. مسكين. أنا مسكين.
How are you?
الحمد لله.
تمام عمي.
تمام.
Excuse me very much.
Excuse me. Say thank you. Say thank you very much.
Thank you.
No, excuse me very much. Thank you very much. Okay. ما شاء الله. So this is ما شاء الله. Good. تمام. As you can see, guys, the Syrian guys are very hospitable. You can see that clearly. And this is everywhere where I go. Everywhere I go in Idlib, everyone's very hospitable. Very friendly, you know? So, yeah, let's eat. I think I tried this dish in Lebanon. What's this called again? فتة.
هذا حب
حم.
حبة طحينة.
حبة طحينة. Oh, this one فتة. Oh, okay, تمام. This one? This one?
فلافل.
No. And this one?
ناي.
Hummus.
ناي.
Hummus 9. Okay, thank you. Shukran. I'm going straight to. Actually, you know what? I'll try hummus first. Very good. And what was this called again? I know, I forgot too, man. Got a fish brain. Habbahin, something like that. Okay, let's go. Just grab a little big piece. Oh, this is gonna get messy. I reckon it's worth it. Ya Allah, look how big this is.
ما فيش؟
يا أصفر سرابيس هون ما في.
I'm gonna try Fateh. Sorry, man. I forget the words, guys. Forgive me. Wow. Guys, I'm gonna try some falafel. It's nice. It's still warm, actually. So, Bismillah.
Dip it in the hummus.
First, I'll try plain, and then I'll try with the hummus. This is nice. Wow. I had a lot of falafel, but this one is actually really nice. I'm not joking, bro. This is really nice. Inshallah, look, I'm gonna dip it into some hummus. Delish. Guys, breakfast done. Alhamdulillah. Finished breakfast. Now we have to go and find out how much the price is. Don't worry, guys. It's not that expensive here in Syria. Things are relatively cheap. The food. If you go to a nice fancy place, of course, it's gonna be expensive. Habibi, how much? How much?
أنا عربي حجي ما بعرف إنجليزي بنو.
أنا عربي؟ ما في إنجليزي؟
عربي تقيل. عربي
كم
ثمن طاولة؟
أيوة.
ثمن طاولة.
أيوة.
هذا أنا
300.
How much?
300.
Oh,
300.
okay, here you go.
منين أنتوا أخي؟ بريطانيا على راسي والله. بيسافرونا على بريطانيا بطالعونا. بطالعونا على بريطانيا.
تعال. Come.
ما بدها فيزا بدها.
Visa, I'll give you visa.
20 فلافل 20 فلافل هوني بالحظ زي حجي.
You want visa? تعال. Visa.
في شغل.
Stamp.
شو بدك شغلني هني أخي؟
السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم.
على راسي وأهلا وسهلا.
السلام عليكم. Thank you.
على راسي الأجانب كلها حجي.
Shukran.
Sorry.
Free Syria. Alright, guys, breakfast is done. We're out of here now. And I do got to get moving as well. I got to get out of Idlib at the moment. Beautiful city. And this city, of course, they had freedom after so many years. So you have to understand how excited these people are. You know what I'm saying? They've been oppressed for all these years. And now that they had freedom, they, enjoying it.